Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So, in today's video, what I'm gonna show you guys, it's a kind of different video. So, we're in Space Sailors, we're at the Lunar Gateway, of course. One of my favorite places in the entire game. So, a new update has just dropped. The creator, Pulsar Nova, said some sort of secret thing on Mars. So, you know what that means? We're gonna have to go check it out. We're gonna go to Mars. We're gonna figure out what this thing is. Also, observations. Observations. However you want to pronounce it, I don't know. They're available on Mars and Ceres now. So now you get to have observations wherever. So you can find all these Easter eggs. I've actually found screenshots in the Space Sailors Discord. So yeah, there's like a lot of them. So if you guys remember that Among Us crewmate that I found, the imposter, if you get an observation right next to that, either it says sus, Among Us, or something else. Yeah, very strange. But anyway, we're gonna land on Mars. I just don't know what this thing is. Is it an Easter egg? Is it some sort of event? Is it the aliens or the aliens attacking? I hope. Well, if it's an Easter egg, then I'm not sure. Well, it will depend. It will depend. Alright, let's fast forward. Oh, we are burning up. Oh, the sound is like glitched. Alright, here we go. I'm landing next to a mountain. Oh, great. We spawned in a dust storm. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Well, this sucks. No, no, no. It's gonna begin again. No, 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 no. Don't you dare. No! End! 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 It's not ending. No. Okay, at least I get to land in peace. But I'll land on the side of a hill. So that's good? Bad? I don't know. Okay, let's end this thing before we get seizures from this thing. Okay, let's plant our flag. Let's get server controls. The gravity is much more comfortable. Not as bad as the moon, but feels less than Earth, therefore I could still feel athletic and jump decently high. Alright. That's a new one. But what I was going to go find was the Easter egg, which, I don't know. So that's the problem. We need to go find an Easter egg. Alright, you know what, let's reset. I'm sure it can't hurt us. Also, is this thing ending or what? The dust storm just doesn't want to end. Okay. Forward. Ah, great. I've glitched it again. So, one of the things that the observations suggested, was a hint for one of the Easter eggs on Mars. So, this Easter egg is the face on Mars. I'm sure you've all seen, or most of you have seen that picture of what appears to be a face that was like imprinted in the surface of Mars, but it was just a rock shape. And basically it's apparently in the game. So what we need to do, First let me get out of here. I gotta find out where we're going. So, it's the opposite way of the sun. Problem. I don't know where the sun is. The sun is gone. Here. Maybe I can just... Boop, boop. The sun is gone. Here, I'll find out by my shadow. Okay. If my shadow points there, I need to go that way. Okay. So, I guess, since I can't see the sun, that's a major problem. We're gonna either go find it, or just get hopelessly lost. Which we'll probably do, considering the fact that this Easter egg has been found by less than 10 people, maybe? Yeah, that's, quite rare. I've only seen a screenshot of it, about twice by different people. Oh, there's also a new Easter egg on series. Forgot to mention that. So one thing that you always want to check while you're searching for an Easter egg is you want to check, oh no. Great. We're kind of in a pickle. Alright, that don't matter. Alright. So one thing you always want to check is like in the distance. So in the generated terrain, the infinite generated terrain, you want to look like past that, past where it's generating. So in that series video I made, the one on series, where I found the imposter from Among Us, that it had like some sort of object floating, because I saw it and I thought it was some sort of Easter egg, so I went to it. And that's how you know. That's how to find Easter eggs quickly, I guess. Okay, we're heading the opposite direction of the sun. It's good. The sun popped up again. So now, we should be able to find this face. I'm sure it won't be that difficult, but I'm sure it will be difficult. I can't quite say for sure. So, we're gonna have to drive in a very, very specific way. Apparently the sun is like, I don't know. The sun is just going wacky here. Alright, we should be facing the correct way. If not, then I don't know. I don't know at all. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to find this face. If we don't, we can just have some observations. Or we can find the spirit rover. Hey, what's that? Is that the face? I'll go find out. Let's see. Drum roll, please. Nope, it was just a terrain glitch. Let's see what this observation says. The rovers somehow have better handling than the moon. Mars is a lot safer to drive due to the strong gravity and the terrain having better traction. That's true. Mars has good gravity, not like the moon, which has stinky gravity. We don't like stinky gravity. That's the thing. Okay. Now I don't know which way I'm going because the sun has yet again disappeared. Aha, the shadows. How have I not thought of that? Okay, let's just follow the opposite direction of our shadow then. Okay. Usually for Easter eggs, you have to go towards the sun. This one, I think you have to go away from the sun. Although, I am not sure. I could have been reading, or I could have been seeing things. Road trip on Mars? I could do a better job in finding what other NASA rovers are looking for. Time to beat their total mileage. We're going on a road trip, everybody. Yay! Where are we going? Mars. We're gonna find a face. And that's exactly what we're doing. For multiple reasons. You'd think I would have found it by now, but there's just one problem. I haven't found it. And that's a major problem, because usually you want to find Easter eggs. But I can always get some screenshots. Something. Wait, what? Okay, my brain just went oof while saying that. My brain is dying. Okay. Finally, driving extraterrestrially is much easier here thanks to the gravity being twice as strong as the moon. Twice? I thought it was way more. Well, because Mars is really big compared to Earth. Mars isn't bigger than Earth. But if Mars crashed into Earth, everyone would die. So I guess you could say Mars is more powerful than Earth. But then Earth is more powerful than Mars, too. But this doesn't make sense. Okay, back to what I was doing. We're trying to find a face on Mars, which barely anybody has found. Shocker. Shocker. Yeah. Imagine trying to find an Easter egg that only a couple people have found in history, only to have almost no hints of where it could be, because nobody has ever found it. Actually, people have found it. It's just very, very rare, I guess. Either it's very rare, or there's 3 options here. Either it's very rare, you have to travel a long way, or I'm just being a knobby knob. Yeah, it's probably the third one, because I have no idea where this is at. Unless if somebody posts a screenshot saying directions to it. Because the first person which found the face didn't give directions to it. Ah, wow, what a shocker. How could you guess? How did you know? They didn't give directions to it. That's the same thing that happened to the monolith on the moon. What else? A lot of other things. The cheese! Yeah, the cheese on the moon. There's such thing as a cheese. It's blue. And it was probably dropped by the aliens that I told you about in the lore of Space Sailors. So, yeah, I'm going crazy. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm just gonna find the face. Here, if I can't, then that's good. It's fine. A human-controlled rover is totally better and faster than the other rovers NASA landed. That's true. This is futuristic, isn't it? Because once we do go on Mars eventually, and in fact, it's not that far away. Either you can go to the moon or Mars in maybe just a few years. Well, it depends. It depends on how much money you have. I mean, shouldn't it be expensive But just imagine like an airplane, just or a starship, the lunar starship, I guess, just going to the moon, like passenger. I don't know how to call it, like commercial flights. No, I don't know. Just something that's like an airplane, that takes passengers with it. Um, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but it would be so cool just landing on the moon and Mars. But it would take 3 days to get to the moon and 6 months to get to Mars. So you best make sure that you have a good time in space. You're gonna have to get used to space for 6 months, which is, I mean, it's not that bad. The people in the ISS, they like spend half a year in space and then they deorbit. Um, but I don't know. Maybe it's more. Let's see. That's the same one as before. All right. Uh. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. Well, this is a long journey, I guess. Guess we're gonna have to just keep on going. Finding a face on Mars. A face that has almost never been found before by only a couple people. Because the first person didn't give directions. That's very cool. And maybe because they didn't have their metrics. Yep, very cool. Okay, well. Here, maybe it's a lost cause. I've driven like this far. Yeah, I don't see anything in the distance. Well, let's see. Let's just see these last few things. And if I don't manage to find it, we'll try to find the Spirit Rover. Alright, guess we're coming to a complete stop. And we are resetting. We're gonna go back. We're gonna hopefully... Oh, you gotta be joking. It spawned me back here. Get me out. Let me out. Okay. Reset. No! Another dust storm. You gotta be joking. Okay. There's another dust storm. I'm gonna have to end the dust storm. Why? Why? The dust storm. No. I don't want a dust storm. I never said I wanted this. This wasn't what I wanted. I didn't want a dust storm to begin, just as I reset. And now I'm lagging. I'm lagging a lot. Okay, end. Alright. Let's get in our vehicle here. Very nice. Very nice things. Okay. No. No. This is... No. Just end the dust storm. End. I don't want dust storms interrupting this thing. They're so often. Okay. Okay, no. No! Why? Okay then. Oh wow, look at that green atmosphere. Okay. Well, now I get to drive in peace. Okay, yeah, we do. Alright. Let's go find the Spirit Rover. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's all the observations for driving. Because I think there's only a couple. Well, that's why. Okay, we're gonna have to drive right here. I'm gonna have to try to get over this mountain. Oh wow, a tiny rock. I think my foot fell asleep. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Why? Okay, that does it. We're gonna find the Spirit Rover whether this game likes it or not. I don't know. And I don't want to know if we'll find the Spirit Rover. Maybe it's been relocated. But I doubt. I doubt a lot. For many reasons. Also, my foot fell asleep now. Because I sat on it. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to sit on my foot so I could fall asleep. Alright. The Spirit Rover. It's supposed to spawn like around here. But it's not here. Okay, you know what? Let's go outside, get some fresh Martian air. Let's see. Mars is surely like a dead Earth. From deltas to a rusty desert, Goodland Earth has a decent magnetosphere to prevent our home from turning into this lonely and depressing desert. Okay, now we can try to get some more observations here. Which, yeah. The Spirit Rover is supposed to spawn here. But I don't know. Do we have to follow the sun? Maybe we do. Maybe we have to drive farther? Well, it depends. Yeah. I think this is a good place to end the video. So this is like a part 2 of my last observations video. And if you're wondering, what are the observations? They're a new update in Space Sailors Roblox game. And where you can record an observation. It's like randomly generated. And you can go find Easter eggs. You can go near them, record an observation, and it'll randomly generate one. And it's cool. Oh, don't tell me there's another Death Star. I thought sunlight would appear much dimmer. Sunlight appears similar to what I see when cirrus stratus clouds cover the sky. However, I still can't look at the sun. It's still too bright. Ah, my eyes! My eyes, the sun is blinded me. Alright. Let's get one more observation and I'm gonna end the video. I'll do a part 3 on Ceres. Yeah, how about that? Alright, part 1 was on the moon, part 2 was on Mars, and now part 3 is on Ceres. So, basically a recap. What I was trying to find was that update, the mysterious update that the creator put in the Space Sailors Discord. And I tried to find that and it was on Mars. So I tried to find it and it didn't work. But maybe it's in the mining zone and I'll have to see tomorrow if someone has found it and I'll update you guys. So, let's give one last observation. At least Mars has some atmosphere for me to hear the environment. I just need to put the audio recordings into an EQ and crank up the higher frequencies and increase the volume. Yeah, because Mars has a pressure of 0.61 kilopascals, which is crazy. Like, I mean, you can't exactly breathe on Mars, but it at least has some pressure. So, yeah, this is a good place to end the video. Actually, I was gonna already end the video. Okay. Oh well. Well, anyways, I'll see you all in the next video. But anyways, goodbye, everybody.